this chapter we are going to work on our teasers again, and let's implement some new dynamic variables. So at this moment we had one dynamic variable, and that was the get price amount. This switches between the type of the offer, and it will return the price, the minimum price. In this case we see our bike of $1,500, or it will say start bidding at $0 because we want just to get bids no matter what the price is. And you can see above there is a label that says 0 bids. We need to make sure this is dynamic. You also see a promo badge, be the first. And of course this has to become dynamic. So if there are no bids yet, we have to show be the first. Okay, we start with the price. It is not correct yet because now we have bids entities, and $1,500 is the initial price, but we got